try that.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a quick mushroom stir fry. Trust me on this one, it is so easy to make and you can use any kind of mushrooms you like. Let's start with the ingredients, and you just need mushrooms. I have king oyster mushrooms, beach mushrooms, shallots, and 3 cloves of garlic. Soft egg tofu, which you can find at your local Asian market. You're gonna need some salt as well, and I'll show you how to make the sauce later. We're gonna first take the oyster mushroom and turn them into thinner pieces. What we're gonna do is first cut down the middle and just pull it apart, just like this. It's kind of like those little mozzarella sticks that you peel into even pieces, kind of. Make sure that they are even so that way they all cook at the same time. For the beach mushrooms, I just cut off the stems here. Then you want to pull them apart. We're going to take our shallots, peel them, and dice them. Take the garlic cloves and you're just gonna smash and then mince them. Cook the soft egg tofu in half and slide it out carefully. You want to make sure you do this so you don't break it at all. Then you're gonna slice it into 1/2-inch pieces like so. Time to make the sauce. These are all going to be 1/2 tablespoon. So we're going to do 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of seasoned soy sauce for seafood, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1/2 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. Then you're going to mix it all up. Take a frying pan and add some neutral oil. Then wait for it to heat up. Afterwards, you're going to add your soft egg tofu in. Make sure to add them one by one and be as gentle as possible because sometimes it can break and we don't want that. We want whole pieces. After 2 or 3 minutes or so, you want to flip them over and remember to be really gentle with this process. We don't want any of them breaking. When you see the color like this, that's when you know when to flip it over. Alright, now we're gonna pour 1/2 of our sauce in like so, and save the rest for the mushrooms later. After another minute or so, you're gonna wanna flip all of them over and then cook for another minute. And then we're gonna set this aside and start cooking the mushrooms. In another pan, or you can use the same one if you want, you're gonna put a generous 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. Since mushrooms do tend to soak up some oil, we're gonna put a little bit more. Then, once your oil has heated up, you're gonna throw in your shallots. Mix until you see a little bit of caramelization going on. Then you're gonna add your garlic in. After 30 seconds or so, you're gonna wanna throw all of your mushrooms in. Hey, mushroom party! After about 2 minutes or so, when the mushrooms begin to wilt, you're gonna add a good pinch of salt here. Keep mixing and stirring because you don't want to burn any of the mushrooms or the shallots. Then you're gonna want to pour all of your sauce in and make sure to get every last drop as possible. This is where all the umami flavor comes from. Alright, it looks like we're almost done here. Just give it a little taste, make sure it's to your liking. Now let's get ready to plate. Take the egg tofu and just throw it onto your plate and make sure to arrange them nicely so it's kind of like a bed, and we're gonna tuck in our mushrooms, but the mushrooms are gonna go on top, so you're gonna top the mushrooms. For the garnish, we're just gonna add a little bit of green onion. If you don't have it, it is a-okay. And if you have hot chili sauce, you can put that on there, or sriracha, whatever you feel. And it's time to eat.
It's done and it's ready to eat, guys. Ooh, it's a little hot on the bottom. So let's try this out. Do you guys like mushrooms? I think mushrooms are my favorite type of vegetable. I don't think it's a vegetable. It's a fungus. Let's try the king oyster mushroom. So good. This is so tasty. If you guys are vegetarians, this is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this content and more, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to me, and comment down below if you guys like mushrooms, because I'm a huge fan. I'm gonna enjoy this. See you guys next week. Okay guys, I can literally eat all of this all day. So good.